Hey guys, it's Mike from Urban English. Let me ask you something. Has anyone ever pulled the wool over your eyes? Yeah. To pull the wool over your eyes basically means to lie to you or to deceive you, to give you false information, right? When somebody doesn't tell you the truth, they're pulling the wool over your eyes. Now look, I don't know exactly what the history of this expression is. Many people have said that it's related to courtrooms way back in the day when lawyers and judges would wear wigs, right? Fake hair made from wool. Wool is lana. It's the fur of a sheep, right? Yeah. So these judges and these lawyers would wear these big, huge hair pieces or wigs of wool, and I guess every now and then maybe they could pull it down and be confused. I don't know. I actually think the expression probably comes from toques. In North America or in places where it's cold, it's very common that people wear these special hats that are called toques, and you can actually roll them down over your face. And if you do that, you can't see what's in front of you. So in that same concept where you're putting something over your face and you can't see, when somebody tells you a lie, they're basically eluding you, right? They're pulling something in front of your face so that you can't see the truth. Let me give you an example. The other night I came home from work, and I'm going to get in trouble for this now, but the other day I came home from work really late because a couple of friends asked me to go out for drinks. But when I got home, my husband was like, "Where have you been? Oh my God, you didn't call." And I said, "Oh baby, I had to work late." Yeah, I said that. I know, it's terrible. I pulled the wool over his eyes. And it worked. But now he's going to know, and I'm going to be in big trouble. Anyways, guys, let me know in the comments below when somebody has pulled the wool over your eyes. And remember, share, subscribe, and as always, have a fantastic day.